Here's a Mueller Centurion fire hydrant, and it's currently being flushed. Fire hydrants are flushed to clean out underground water mains and other water pipes. Over time, minerals and other sediments can build up, so they need to be cleared out. You can see the hose connected to the fire hydrant runs all the way to a nearby stream to collect the flowing water.
Well, this isn't good.
This is an FDC, or Fire Department connection, and this is a standpipe. You'll find these systems in multi-story buildings. Fire departments pump water into the FDC, and the water goes to the standpipes. These systems are helpful because the fire department can connect fire hoses from inside the building near the fire, instead of running the hoses from the fire truck outside and having to drag them around the inside of the building and up to the floor where the fire is.
Here's an American Darling hydrant. It's kind of buried in the ground, and I think it needs a new coat of paint. This is the Sherlight's PathLinks emergency light. It has self-diagnostics, and it's blinking a trouble code saying that the battery has failed. Here's an interesting fire extinguisher installation I found. I actually saw this in a fireworks store. On the far left is a Badger Advantage 5-pound ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher. In the middle is an Ansell Century 2.5-gallon water fire extinguisher. And finally, on the far right, we have another Badger Advantage fire extinguisher, except this one is a 10-pound ABC dry chemical model. Kind of a weird install, but I guess since it's at a fireworks store, they wanted to be over-prepared for any fire event that might happen. These extinguishers were located at the front entrance. Here is an All-Pro APC exit sign combo, and you can see it is in emergency mode. However, the power is not out. This is installed in an outside porch area that's exposed to the weather. I think the combo broke from moisture and changing temperatures over the years. This combo is meant to be installed inside, not outside. It should be replaced with a weatherproof combo. Here's an interesting setup I found. So here we have a GFCI, and I'm in a bathroom, and we have a standard 15 amp outlet up here. So kind of interesting. I never really see outlets installed at, typical height in a bathroom. So this is kind of a weird setup. This GFCI does work, as you can see. And I actually have my GFCI outlet tester. And we'll plug it into this outlet, if I can, and give it a test. You can see it tripped. And we'll press reset on it. And we'll plug it in here. And it works just fine. So there you go, kind of a interesting and unique setup here. So yeah. Here's an EST Genesis ceiling mount remote strobe on the surface mounted back box. And it is on 15 candela.